Hello, and welcome to the Python Coders channel. I'm here to guide you through understanding Armstrong numbers and how to check if a number is an Armstrong number. Let's jump right into the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stick around till the end. Now, let's begin with understanding what an Armstrong number is. An Armstrong number is a number where the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of the number of digits, equals the number itself. Simply put, the number of digits is the power to which each digit is raised. Let's dive into the code. Start by taking input n. Set n as the integer input for the entered value. Go ahead and enter a number. Next, assign n to a temporary variable for safekeeping. Set temp equal to n, initialize sum as 0, and determine the order, which is the length of n's string representation. Remember, the order is the length of n as a string. Now, let's use a while loop. While temp is greater than 0, if the condition holds true, assign digit as temp modulo 10. Then add digit raised to the power of order to sum, followed by floor dividing temp by 10. Next, an if condition checks if sum equals n. If true, print that n is an Armstrong number. Otherwise, print that n is not an Armstrong number. And that's it. That's the complete code. Make sure to save the code and run it. Ready for the next step. First, enter a number. Let's say 153. Hit enter. You'll find that 153 is indeed an Armstrong number. Now let's try running it again. Enter another number, like 144. 144 is not an Armstrong number. Hope everything's clear. The video should be helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.